Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss MOF paper solution of class 5th which was held on 26th of October 2025 of part physics. So let's start this discussion with question number first of physics. So question number first is, a stretched rubber band has which type of energy and why? So option first A is kinetic energy because it's moving. No. Option B, elastic potential energy because it can return to its original shape. Yes. So our correct answer will be option B. Move to the next question. Question number 2. So in question number 2, a clock that works with batteries uses which two types of energy form? So in battery we have chemical energy and electric energy. So correct answer will be option C. Move to the next question, that is question number 3, which is based on column first and column second. We have to match column first with column second. So let's start the question. In P we have battery. So battery have which type of energy? That is chemical energy. So first, compressed spring. So compressed spring have which type of energy? That is potential energy. So Q have 2. Rolling ball downhill. So rolling ball have kinetic energy because it is motion. So last, S, candle have chemical energy which is converted into heat and light energy. So fourth. So first, second, third and fourth. So our correct answer will be option A. Now the question number 4 says, which of the following statement is true about friction force? We have to find true statement about friction force. So first option A is, it always help in increasing speed. No. It only acts when things are floating. No. It acts in the same direction as the motion. No. Friction is opposite to the direction of motion. So our correct option will be D. It always opposes motion and slow down things. Next question, that is question number 5. In question number 5, you see a football suddenly change direction in air after being kicked. Which statement is correct? So option A is, it is unaffected by gravity. No. Option B, no force is acting, which is already wrong because we have kicked the ball. Option C is, force was applied at an angle. Yes. So our correct answer will be option C of question number 5. Move to the next, that is question number 6, which is based on assertion and reason. So assertion A, kinetic energy is the energy of a moving object. True, because a ball lying on the floor has kinetic energy. No. Reason is false. So our correct answer will be option C. Assertion is true and reason is false. Move to the next question, that is question number 7. 7 and 8, both the question are based on paragraph. So in paragraph in science class, student was shown a lever to lift a heavy stone. The teacher placed the stone at one end and a strong stick with a fulcrum in the center. When the stick was pushed down on the other end, the stone lifted easily. The teacher explained that simple machines reduce the effort need to do work. So this is the situation of paragraph. This is fulcrum. Now the question says, question number 7, what is the role of lever in this situation? So option first is to increase the weight. No. To change the direction of magnetic force. No. Option C, to reduce the effort needed to lift. Yes. The correct answer will be C, because simple machine is reduced to efforts. Next question, question number 8. So in question number 8, what was the function of the fulcrum in this experiment? It balanced the stick. It increases gravity. No. It created friction. No. It pulled the stone. No. So our correct answer will be option A. Move to the next question, question number 9, which is also based on assertion and reason. So assertion and reason. Assertion says, a moving object comes to rest due to friction. Yes, because friction is opposed the motion of an object. Reason, friction is a contact force that register motion. True. Can we connect these two? Yes, because friction is contact force that register motion. So our correct answer will be both. Assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion A. Move to the next question, which is last question of part physics, that is question number 10. So in question number 10 we have sequence based. So which situation is correct according to the situation given in the question? So let's start the question. Steps when using a lever to lift a heavy load. Place the load, apply effort, fulcrum moves, no. Fulcrum fixed, yes, we have to fix the fulcrum first. Applied the force, yes, we have to apply the force, and then load is moved. So our correct answer will be option B. I hope you get your answers of part physics. Thanks.
Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 5th. Let's discuss with the questions. And this question is about the causes of pollution, and here is a flow chart, and choose X, Y and Z from given options, and we have to choose the correct X, Y, Z. And as we see that factories when release smoke, then it causes air pollution. Garbage wasteland causes land pollution. Sewage, dirty water causes water pollution. Let's choose the option. Option A is smoke, land pollution, dirty water. And here X is smoke, but X is land pollution, so it is wrong. B, X is land pollution, Y is smoke, and Z is dirty water, and it is the correct option. C is smoke, dirty water, land pollution, that is again wrong. D is dirty water, land pollution, smoke, and this is again the incorrect option. So the correct answer is option B. Now the next question is, which of the following is correct statement? Let's see what is the options. Boiling turns steam into water. Condensation turns water into ice. Evaporation turns water into vapor. Melting turns gas into solid. Let's discuss the question. As we know that solid changes into liquid when we heat it, and liquid will change into gas again we heat the liquid, and after cooling gas will change into liquid and liquid will change into solid. And if we take water, then solid is ice, liquid is water, and gas is steam or water vapor. Steam or water vapor. Let's discuss. Boiling turns steam into water. No. Boiling means liquid into gas. So this is the wrong option. Condensation turns water into ice. No. Condensation means gas will turn into liquid. So it is again wrong. Evaporation turns water into vapor. Yes, this is called water means water will turn into water vapor. So this is called evaporation. So it is correct. Melting turns gas into solid. This is again wrong, because melting means ice will change into water. So this is the incorrect option. So the answer is option C. Let's take the next question. This is match the column, and column 1 has PQRS. Here P is deforestation, Q is earthworms in soil, R is recycling, plastic. S is overuse of groundwater. And column 2 has first, help decompose organic matter. Second, loss of animal habitat. Third, leads to water scarcity. Four, reduces land pollution. Let's match the columns. And as we know that deforestation means cutting of plants, it is the cause, that is loss of animal habitat. So P resemble with the 2. Earthworms in soil. Earthworm helps the decomposition of organic matter. So Q will resemble with 1. Now recycling plastic means this reduces land pollution. So R matches with the 4. Overuse of groundwater, it leads to the water scarcity. So S resemble with 3. Let's choose the correct options. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is wrong. B, 4, 3, 2, 1, that is again wrong. C, 3, 1, 4, 2, this is wrong. D, 2, 1, 4, 3, yes, 2, 1, 4, 3 is the correct answer, and the option D is the answer of this question. Let's take the next question. What process is shown when water droplets appear on the outside of cold glass? We know that when water vapors present in atmosphere, when contact with the cold glass, then water vapors will condense into the liquid, means water, and this process is called condensation. Let's take the options. First, A is melting, that is wrong. B is condensation, yes, this is the correct. C is evaporation, no, it is again wrong. D is boiling, no, this is again wrong. So the correct answer is option B. Now, take the next question. Which of the following things will not decompose easily in the environment? As we know that all non-biodegradable things which are synthetic and are not natural, so these not easily decompose in the environment. Let's take the options. A, vegetable peel, that is natural and biodegradable. Cotton cloth, this is again natural and biodegradable. Paper, this is again natural and biodegradable. D, plastic bags. Plastic bags are the synthetic polymers, so these are non-biodegradable. So according to question, the answer D is correct. So option D is the answer. Now the next question. Assertion, reason. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Yes, this is the true statement, as we know that the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Reason is at 100 degree Celsius, water particles gain enough energy to change into steam, means gas. Yes, this is again true, and it is correctly explain the assertion. So the option A is both assertion and reason are the true, and reason R is correct explanation of the assertion. This is the correct answer. B, both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. It is wrong. Assertion is true and reason is false. No, it is wrong. Assertion is false and reason is true. This is again wrong. So correct option is A. Now the next question is paragraph based. Neha forgot a chocolate bar in her school bag on a hot day. When she opened it at home, the chocolate had melted. She kept it in the refrigerator and after some time it was solid again. And the question is, what caused the chocolate to melt in Neha's school bag? As we know that when chocolate gets its melting point, then it will melt. So the correct option is A. It was in a plastic wrapper. No, this is not the reason. B. It was kept in the dark. No, it was again not the reason. It reaches its melting point. Yes, this is the correct option according to us. The next option D is the bag was full. No, this is again the wrong answer. So the correct option is C. The next question is, what two changes of state did the chocolate undergo? Yes, chocolate undergo first is melting because of hot day, and second is when Neha kept this in refrigerator, then again because of the low temperature it becomes in its solid state again, and this is called freezing. Let's take the options. A. Freezing and evaporation. No, this is wrong. B. Condensation and melting. No, this is again wrong. C. Melting and freezing. Yes, melting and freezing is the correct option. D. Boiling and condensation. No, this is again wrong. So correct option is C. Let's take the next question. Again it is assertion reason. Sand, rocks, water and air are the biotic factor of ecosystem. No. As we know that ecosystem has two types of factors, two types of classification, means abiotic and biotic factors. And biotic factors are living things. All living things are biotic factor. And non-living things are abiotic factor. So the assertion is false statement. Now, reason is biotic factors of ecosystem are living organism. Yes, this is true. Let's take the options. Option A is both assertion and reason are the true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. Both assertion A and reason are the true, but reason R is not a correct explanation of assertion A. No, this is again wrong. Assertion is true and reason is false. No, this is again wrong. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. Yes, this is the correct option. So the answer is option D. Now the next question is sequence based. Select the correct sequence of proper waste management. And as we see that these are the 5 R's for the waste management. So let's take the correct option. Reduce, refuse, reuse, repurpose and recycle. No, this is the not correct sequence. B. Refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. Yes, this is the perfect sequence of 5 R's of waste management. C. Refuse, reduce, repurpose, reuse and recycle. Again wrong. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and repurpose. It is again the wrong answer. So the correct option is D. This is the part 2 chemistry for class 5th. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था,
तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहां लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहां पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहां क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहां पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहां पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहां पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहां पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th biology. Let's start. First question for biology. Which body part help in both movement and support? Both movement and support. First is muscle, second skin, third liver and vein. Muscle. Muscle is supportive and movable part of the body. So our right answer is option A. And another skin. Skin is a covering and prevent from foreign particle. That is no participate in movement and support. Next, liver. Liver is a organ and release bile juice in digestive system. Next, vein. Vein is a transport system for blood. So our right answer is option A. Next, what is the role of the spinal cord? Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a part that present at end point of brain. End point of brain and divided into so many nerves and catch signal from body part and mediator between body part and brain. So, it filter blood? No. It digest food? No. It carries signal between brain and body. Between brain and body. So, our option C is correct for this question. Next, match column first and second. Select the correct answer using the code given below. In column first, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint present between this part, because ball and socket joint help in 360 movement of bones. So our right answer, our right matching for this is ball and socket for shoulder. So P match with second. Hinge joint. Hinge joint. This joint is called hinge joint, present at elbow. So hinge joint match with elbow. Q3. Next, pivot joint with neck. Neck movement. Right, left, up, down. So match with 1. Next, S. S, fixed joint. Fixed joint in skull. Bones of skull are fixed. So there are no movement between them. Our right answer for this matching is 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4 in option D is correct. Next question is, which of the following statements about virus is true? Virus. Virus, crystal particles, attack on host body for multiplication or process of living activities. So, according to option, They have a well-defined cell structure? No. They can reproduce on their own? No. They need a host cell to multiply? Right? Option C is correct. They are larger than bacteria? No. So, option C is correct for this question. Next, what do yeast, mold and bacteria have in common? First, they are all virus. They are all virus? No. They are all microorganism? Right. They are cause disease? No. All cause disease? That is wrong. Some are beneficial like lactobacillus that use in curd formation. So, statement C wrong. They are only found in air? No. Option B is correct for this question. Next, assertion and reason. Spinal cord is a part of digestive system? No. It is a part of central nervous system related to nervous system. Reason. It helps send signal from brain to different part of body. Right? Reason is right. Assertion is wrong and reason is right. According to option, assertion is false. Option D. Option D is correct for this question. Next paragraph. Microorganisms all around us and some can cause food to spoil if not stored properly. Long ago, people discovered way to keep food safe for longer period. Technique like drying, salting and adding vinegar help stop microbe from growing because suitable condition help in multiply microbes. Some food are even kept in airtight container to prevent air from reaching them because so many microbes present in air that enter in container food and multiply and change smell and texture of food. Without air, many harmful microorganisms cannot survive or multiply. According to paragraph, question is, why are airtight container useful in food preservation? Option A, they add salt to the food, they keep food warm, they prevent microbe from getting oxygen. Option C is correct for this question. And last, they destroy. No. So according to paragraph and concept, option C is right for this question. Next, what is a common effect of food spoilage caused by microorganism? Increase in nutrient, better flavor, and food become more colorful, bad smell and change in texture. Option D is correct because food is in bad smell and change in texture by microorganism because microbes multiply in more number and convert food complex to another form that is spoilage and bad smell and change taste and texture of food. So right answer is option D. Next, assertion A, lactobacillus help in curd formation. That is right because lactic acid formation by LAB, lactic acid bacteria convert lactose sugar into lactic acid. Next, reason R, it convert milk protein into alcohol. That is wrong. Convert milk protein in alcohol is wrong because alcohol formed in absence of oxygen in anaerobic respiration. So reason is wrong. Assertion is true. Option C is correct for this question. Option C is right. Next, what is the correct sequence of urine formation and removal from the body. In kidney, filtration of blood convert into urine, kidney to ureter, ureter to bladder, bladder to urethra. So sequence is kidney to ureter, bladder and urethra. Option B is correct for this question. These are the all solution for biology class 5th. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So once again we are here together to discuss about the solution of MOF paper which was held on 26th of October 2025, and today we are here to discuss about the fourth part of your paper, which is the section of mathematics. That means we are discussing about the all 20 question of mathematics which you face in the MOF examination. So let's start with question number first. So here we have question number 31 according to your examination paper, and this is the question number first according to the section of mathematics. So what is question? Look at here. Find the value of A in the given figure if RS is a straight line. Dear students, if the angle of two ray, it means the angle between two ray is 180 degree. That means if this is first ray and this is second ray, the angle between both of them is 180 degree, then we say both are in a straight line. That means a straight line makes an angle of 180 degree. And here we have two angles, two adjacent angles, they make a straight line. That means we also say them as a linear pair also. That means the sum of both of them is 180 degree. So the sum of 5A plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Got it? Whenever we change the place of 120 degree from left to right, then the sign is different. Got it? And whenever we subtract 180 with 120, then we are getting 60 as a result, and here we have 5A. So let's change the place of 5 from left to right. It is multiplied with A. So here we have as a divisor as a 5 with a 60. And whenever 5 divided by 60, then the resulted answer is 12 degree. That means the resulted value of A is 12. And you look at here, whenever 12 multiply 5, then the resulted angle is 60 degree, and 120 and 60 makes the resulted value is 180 degree, and the 180 degree means this is a straight line. It means option C is correct. The value of A is 12 degree. Got it? Let's come to the question number 32. So next we have question number 32 which you face in the examination, dear students, and for your kind information, it is depend on sequence based question. That means we are having 4 different steps, and the need of question is that arrange all the steps in proper sequence. So first of all, read the paragraph very carefully. Look at here. Priya bought 3/5 meter of ribbon. It means here we have a girl who bought ribbon which length is 3/5 meter. And Kanta bought 1/2 meter of ribbon. She is a friend is Kanta, and she also bought a ribbon which length is 1/2 meter. Okay. Who bought longer ribbon and by how much? It means first of all we find out who bought longer ribbon. Okay. After that, how much? It means what is the difference between both of the ribbons? So how to do it? Look at here. Here we have length of the ribbon which they both purchased from any shop or whatever. Look at here. For Priya. And here we have for Kanta. The length of ribbon for Priya is 3/5 meter, and length of ribbon which Kanta bought, it is 1/2 meter. So dear students, here you can see the units are same for the length. Okay. So what we do? We compare both of the fractions. And how to compare two fractions with each other? First of all, we write out both of them like that. And the second process is that maintain their denominators are similar. And how to make it? We multiplied the first fractions numerator and denominator by the denominator of second fraction. It means it is multiplied by 2 with the numerator and denominator both. Then the resulted answer is 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. And the second fraction multiplied by the denominator of first fraction. It means 1 and 2 multiplied by 5 upon 5. So the resulted answer is 5 upon 10. Why we are doing those like of thing? We want to maintain, we want to make the same denominator for both of them. So you can see here, their denominators are similar. So the next step is that we compare the numerator of both of them. Look at here. Here we have numerator as a 6 for Priya and numerator as a 5 for Kanta. Numerator as a 5. And look at here, 6 is greater than 5 by 1. It means Priya's fraction is greater than by Kanta's fraction. That means the length of ribbon of Priya is greater than compared than Kanta's ribbon. Up the next question is that by how much? And whenever you find out the difference of two fraction, what you do, you subtract both of them. So look at here. Here we have two fraction, 6 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. 6 upon 10 for Priya and 5 upon 10 for Kanta. So let's find out the difference, 6 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10. If denominator of two fractions are similar, then in the subtraction, the resulted denominator in the answer is also same. So it is 10. And we directly subtract both of the numerator, then 6 minus 5. The resulted answer is 1 upon 10 meter. It means Priya's ribbon is larger by 1 upon 10 meter for Kanta's ribbon. So what we do? First of all, we compare. 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 with similar denominators. Make the similar denominators for both of the fraction. After that, we compare their numerator with each other and we discuss about the longer ribbon which Priya bought. Okay. So the first step is P. Second step is R. Because in the R, what we do? We compare the numerators. After that, we find the difference of two fraction which is given. Got it? So we do Q as a third point. Got it? And in the end, we know about the answer. Who bought longer ribbon? By 1 upon 10, Priya bought. Yes, we know very well. So the last step is step S. That means first one is P, second one is R, third one is Q, and last one is S. So look at the options. PRQS. Option C is the correct for question number 32. Let's come to the question number 33. Here we have question number 33, which you face in the examination. So look at here. Which of the following number is divisible by 11? That means here we have 4 different number, but one in all the options is properly divisible by 11. So what is the need of question? The need is that first of all you want to know about the divisibility rule for 11. And we know very well the divisibility rule for 11 is that the difference between odd place and even place digits in the number is divisible by 11. The number is also divisible by 11. That means here we have first number as a 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Look at here. This is place 1, place 2, place 3, place 4 and place 5. Got it? So first of all, take only odd place values like first place, third place and fifth place. Here we have 4, 4 and 4. So the total sum is 12. Got it? And next we have even places like 4 and 4 which lies on even places.
So their sum is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. After that, we want to find out the difference between sum of odd place and even place digits in number. That means 12 minus 8 is 4. And whenever 4 divided by 11, then we know this is not proper divisible by 11. That means it is not divisible. It is not divisible. That means the number is also not divisible. So 4 is a wrong option for this question. But we want to find out the correct option. So let's take the next option in the question. So the next one is, we are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means it is 1,11,111. So look at here. Let's find out the place values properly. This is first place, this is second, this is third place, this is fourth place digit, this is fifth place digit, and this one is sixth place digit. And first of all, we take only odd place digits and find out their sum. So this is odd number, odd number, odd number. And here we have 1, 1 and 1. So add odd place digits, the sum of these is 3. And after that, take the even place digits. And these are also 1, 1, 1. That means their sum is also 3. And we want to find out the subtraction of both of them. Because according to rule, we find out the difference between sum of odd place digits and sum of even place digits. So this is 0. And dear students, 0 divisible by 11 properly and gives the result as a 0. That means the number is also divisible by 11. So this is the correct option for question number 33. Let's come to the question number 34. Dear students, we are having question number 34 as the next question. Look at here. It is depend on assertion and reason based question. And for your kind information, it is very important from the point of view of competitive examination. So look at here properly. Assertion A. If two solid cubes have equal volume, then their edges are equal. It means what it say? The volume of two cubes are same. So the condition is that their edges are equal or not. Look at here. We know very well volume of two cubes, volume of a cube, we know very well the formula of volume of a cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side. That means side cube. Yes or no? It means volume of cube depend on the edges of a cube. It is directly depend on the its edges. That means if the volume of two cubes are same, then their edges are also same. Got it? What is the reason behind this? Because volume of a cube is directly depend on its edges. Got it? So it means it is true. And look at the reason. The volume of a cube depends on only the length of its edges. Yes, this is the correct explanation for this assertion. That means reason is also true. And both are true, and reason R is a correct explanation for the assertion A. That means the correct option is option A for the question number 34. Let's come to the next question, everyone. So here we have question number 35 as a next question. Dear students, we are having Veena who thinks of a number that is divisible by 17 and 8 both. That means Veena thinks a number which is divisible by properly with the 17 and 8. Got it? Look at here. What is the smallest possible number that Veena could be thinking? That means what we find out the first multiple of 17 and 8 both. Got it? Look at here. We know very well. Here we have two numbers 17 and 8. Yes or no? And 17 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. That means there are no common factor. There are no common factor which is relate with the 8 directly. So what we do whenever we are having a prime number and a composite number, then what we do? We want to find the product of both of them whenever we find the number which is divisible by both of them. That means if you find a number which is divisible by a prime number and a composite number, then what you do, we find out the product of both of them, because this is the first multiple of both of them. Okay, look at here. So whenever we find out the product of 17 and 8, so 8 7s are 56, so we get 6 as the unit digit for the result and 5 as a carry. 8 1s are 8 and 8 5 is equal to 13. So 136 is the first multiple for 17 and 8 both. It means 136 is properly divisible by 17 with 8 times and 8 with 17 times. So Veena thinks the smallest number is 136, which is properly divisible by both of them. So look at here the options. Option C represent 136. That means it is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. So next we have question number 36, which you face in the examination, dear students, and it is depend on the true and false statements. It means we are having 4 different statements and we want to classify which is correct or not. So first of all, the first statement is the composite numbers are never co-prime. Let's text to composite numbers. We take 4 and 9. Dear students, composite means if a number has more than 2 factors, then it is known as composite number. And you know very well, the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Here we have 3 factors for 4. And the factors of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Here we also have 3 factors. And according to question, the both are never co-prime. What is the fundamental of co-prime? Co-prime means if the pair of 2 number has only one factor as a 1, only one common factor as a 1, then we say both are the pair of co-prime number. Look at here. Here we have only 1 as a common factor. Yes or no? 1 is available in 4 also, and here we have 1 which is available in 9 also. And there are no any common factor. Look, here we have 2 but not in 9. Here we have 4 but not in the factor of 9. That means 1 is only common factor in both of them. That means the pair of 4 and 9 is co-prime number. And both are composite number. It means it is possible. 2 composite numbers are co-prime numbers also. Maybe. But according to statements are never. That means it is false statement. According to the live example which you look at. Okay. So next we have the second point. The HCF of 2 number is always a factor of their LCM. Dear students, first of all, we take 2 numbers. After that, we find out the LCM and HCF of both of them. Let's take it. We take 3 and 6. And we know very well, the factors of 3 is 3 only. And the factor of 6 is 2 multiply 3. These are the prime factor which is collected by the prime factorizations. Got it? And we want to find out the HCF and LCM. How to find out HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Look at here. Here we have only 3 as a common factor. That means HCF is 3. And whenever we find out the LCM, then what we do? First of all, we take the HCF, and HCF is 3. That means common factor it only one time takes, and the remaining factor in the multiplication, and the remaining factor is 2, which is right in the multiplication with the common factor. Then the LCM is 3 2s are 6, because LCM means lowest common multiple. Look at here, the LCM is 3 and the LCM is 6, and 6 is properly divisible by 3. That means the LCM of 2 number is always divisible by HCF. Then we say HCF is the factor of their LCM. Yes, this is true. Got it? Next we have the number of prime factorization of any number is more than 1. Look at here, students. We know very well the prime factorization is unique and proper for every number. You know very well, the prime factorization of 4 is fixed, like 2, 2, 2, 1. There we don't have any different method. There we don't have any numbers which represent the factors and prime factors for the 4. It means the prime factorization of a number is unique for each number. So we say the prime factorization of any number is not more than 1. And here we have more than 1. It means according to the statement, we are having a lot of prime factorization for a single number. It is not possible. The prime factorization is only 1 for a number. It means this is false. Not more than 1. It is only 1 for every numbers. Got it? Next, we are having 2 consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime. Look at here. Whenever we take 2 consecutive natural numbers like 2 and 3, 11 and 12, 26 and 27, then what it say? What it say? It say we are having only 1 as a common factor. Look at here. The common factor in 2 and 3 is only 1 because they both are divisible by 1 only. They both are divisible by 1 only, and they both are divisible by 1 only. Whenever we divide both of them with by 1 number, got it? It means they are having as a common factor as a 1. And whenever the pair of number who has only 1 as a common factor, then we say both are the co-prime numbers. That means true consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime number. It is also true. That means the first statement is false, second one is true, third one is false, and last one is true. So false, true, false, true. Look at here. False, true, false, true. The option A is the correct option for question number 36. Next we have question number 37, which you face in the examination. Look at here. If A and B are co-prime numbers, that means there are only 1 common factor, which is 1 only. Then LCM of A and B is divisible by A, B, A multiply B, all of above. Look at here. Here we have 2 numbers. First one is A and second one is B. Whenever we are having 2 co-prime number, then what we do? If we want to find out their LCM, then what we do? We multiplied both of them because their product is their LCM. Because there are no any common factor except than 1. And this is the LCM for both of them. And let's take 1 by 1 every case. Look at here. A multiply B. This is the LCM. And it is divisible by A. Yes or no? Look at here. It is divisible by A with B time. Got it? And whenever it divided by B, whenever the LCM of A and B, which is A multiply B, divided by B, then it is properly divided with A times. Yes or no? And whenever the LCM of A and B is divisible by A multiply B, then you can see here it is multiplied 1 time properly. It means all of above divided by the LCM of A and B, because these are the co-prime number, is properly divisible. That means it is also divisible by A, it is also divisible by B, it is also divisible by A multiply B. So that means the correct option is option D, all of the above. Let's come to the next question, everyone. Next we have question number 38 and question number 39, which is based on given paragraph. Okay, so first of all, the need is that read the paragraph very carefully. After that, think about the question number 38 and 39. Look at here. What it say? It say, while teaching the numbers like odd numbers, even numbers and prime composite numbers, okay, the teacher asked the student to write natural numbers from 1 to 30 on their notebook and then answer the following questions by selecting the correct option. It means in a class, a maths teacher discussing about odd and even number and prime and composite number. After that, she tell them write down the 1 to 30 natural numbers. So look at here. When we write 1 to 30 natural numbers, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then you know very well, here we have one odd number and remaining one is even number. Again, one odd, one even, one odd, one even, one odd, one even. That means when we write continuous natural number, we get one odd, one even, one odd, one even. So when you write 1 to 30 natural numbers, it means total numbers are 30. Okay. And you know very well, half numbers are odd and remaining half numbers are even. It means half numbers are odd and remaining halves are even. So you can say that 15 odd numbers are there and remaining 15s are even. Okay, so which is the correct option for this question? Option A is the correct, because whenever we find out the odd number from 1 to 30, then half numbers are odd. And how many numbers are there? There are 15 numbers. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is 39. And we are having question number 39 in the same paragraph. Pair of twin prime number is. What is the twin prime number? If a difference of two prime number is 2, the difference of two prime number is 2. That means prime first minus prime second is equal to 2. The difference of two prime number is 2. Whenever we subtract both of them, then we get 2 as a difference. Then we say both are twin prime numbers. So let's, in the option A, we are having 7 and 11, both are prime numbers. But whenever we find out their difference, then we get 4. So we say they both are not a twin prime number. Okay. Here we have 13 and 17. They both are prime, yes, because they are having only two factor. First one is on self and second one is 1. So whenever we find their difference, then we get 4. Again, it means they both are not a twin prime number, because if the difference is 2, then we say they both are twin prime number. Next we have 3 and 5. And whenever we find out their difference, then we got 2. So we say the both are twin prime number. Okay, it means the correct option is option C. And for your kind information, this is also wrong, because 9 is not a prime number. So the criteria is question is lost in the last option. Got it? So the correct option is option C, which is correct, and the 3 and 5s are twin prime number because the difference of both of them is 2. And whenever the difference is 2, then we say the both are twin prime numbers. Let's come to the question number 40. So next we are having question number 40, which you face in the examination. And dear student, for your kind information, the question number 40 is dependent on match of the following type question. Why? Look at here. Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the given codes below. Got it? Here we are having column first and column second. And look at here. We want to match all the 4 points with the opposite 4 points. And how to match it with the proper resulted answer. So look at the point P. What it say? It say if a 7x centimeter is the length and 2x centimeter is the breadth, then area of rectangle is. It means in the point P we are having a rectangle which length is 7x centimeter and the breadth is 2x centimeter. What is 2x centimeter? And we want to find the area of rectangle. Dear students, area of rectangle means length multiplied by breadth. It means length multiplied by breadth. Whenever they both are multiplied, then we get area of a rectangle. Got it? So let's take its length is 7x and the breadth is 2x. And whenever we multiply both of them, then we get 7 2s are 14. And whenever variable multiplied with the same variable, then what we do? We makes its power as a 2. Then we get 14x square. And you know very well the unit of area is a centimeter square if the length unit is in centimeter. Got it? So the resulted answer for the area is 14x square centimeter square. Look at the option 14x square centimeter square. It is represented in the second point. Got it? It means P meet with point 2. P meet with point 2. Remember it. Okay. Next we are having point Q. Look at here. If 4x centimeter is the side of a square, then perimeter will be. That means we are having a square shape like that. We are having a square shape. Which sides measure is 4x centimeter. It means the length of its all sides are 4x centimeter each. Got it? And we want to find out its perimeter. Dear students, you know very well the formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side. And we know very well the side is 4x centimeter. And whenever 4 multiply with 4x, then the resulted value is 4 4s are 16x centimeter. That means the perimeter will be 16x centimeter, which is represented in point number first. It means Q meet with first point. Q meet with point first. Next we are having point number R. So look at the point R, what it say. The point R say if area of a rectangle is 20x centimeter square. Area of a rectangle, dear students, area is given and it is 20x centimeter square. And we know very well area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and the resulted value is given, which is 20x centimeter square. And length is 5x centimeter. That means we are having length also, which is 5x multiplied by breadth is equal to 20x centimeter square. Then breadth is, that means we don't know about the breadth, so find out the value of breadth. So what we do, we change the place of 5x from left to right. It will be in the division because here it in the multiplication. So 5x move in the division of 20x. X directly cut out with x because both are similar and in the division. And whenever 20 divided by 5, then the resulted value is 4. And we are having centimeter as a unit because the unit of breadth is in centimeter. So the correct value is 4 centimeter for the length of breadth. So we are having 4 centimeter in point number 4. It means R directly meet with point 4. The remaining one directly meet with point number 3. But we will discuss about it also. If a perimeter of a square is 8x, we know very well, perimeter of a square is 4 multiply side. Yes or no? And it is given. What it is? It is 8x is equal to 4 multiply side. Whenever we change the place of 4 from right to the left, then it will be go in the division for the next number. Then 4 goes in the division, and here we want to find the value of side, and whenever 8x divided by 4, then the resulted value is 2x. It is equal to the measurement of side. So the measurement is 2x centimeter, which is represented in point number 3. This is for your general information how to find out the resulted value in S. Otherwise, we know the very well the answer is 2143. So look at here, 2143 represented in option D. That means the correct option D for the question number 40. Let's come to the next question. Here we have question number 41. Look at here, the cost of fencing of a square park. Fencing means it is the boundary of a square. Fencing means the boundary of a square. Whenever we cover all the boundary of any shape, then it is known as fencing. Okay, look at here. We are having shape as a square park like that. Okay, and we want to find the total cost for the fencing. So what we do? First of all, we find the length of the perimeter. And after that, we discuss about the rate of fencing. And in the end, we find out the total cost. So look at here. The cost of fencing of a square park of a side 250 meter. If each side is 250 meter, the rate of rupees 20 per meter. That means the cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to 20 rupees. So first of all, let's find out the total length for the fencing. So what we do, we find out its perimeter, because fencing dependent on perimeter. And for your kind information, leveling dependent on the area, but fencing dependent on the perimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. We know very well this is common formula. And whenever 4 multiplied by 250, because the measurement of side is 250 meter, then we get 1000 meters. Then we get 1000 meters. It is the length of for the total fencing. And for your kind information, we are having 20 rupees per meter for the fencing. So total cost is equal to cost for 1 meter, which is 20, multiplied by its perimeter, Dear students, whenever 20 multiplied by 1000, then we got 20,000 rupees. It means the total cost for fencing is 20,000 rupees, and it is represented in option B. That means option B is the correct option for question number 41. Let's come to the next question. Next we have question number 42, which you face in the examination, and it is depend on sequence based question. That means we are having a question and some steps how to solve it, and we want to arrange all of them in proper sequence. So what it say? A tank dimensions 100 centimeter by 80 centimeter by 50 centimeter. It means it is a cuboidal shape, is partially filled with water, not completely, only partially. It means some space of cuboidal shape filled by the water, and it is tank. Okay, 10 solid bricks, each of the size 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 8 centimeters, are dropped into the tank. That means we are having a solid tank which has a cuboidal shape, and we want to put 10 solid bricks in the tank. And whenever we put 10 bricks in the tank, then some volume covered by the bricks, and the water increase its level, and we want to find out the rising height of water level. Look at here. The caretaker needs to forecast the rise in the water level. Yes or no? Okay. Arrange the steps in the correct sequence to determine how much the water level rises. Look at here. First of all, what we find? We find out the volume which covered by the 10 bricks. After that, we use the base area and divide volume by base area to find out the height. That means what is the first need? The first need is that to find the volume of 1 brick and then the total volume of 10 bricks. Dear students, volume of 1 brick is equal to volume of 1 brick is equal to length multiply breadth multiply by height, because it is a cuboidal shape. Yes or no? And volume of cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply by height. Okay. For a brick, we are having length as a 20 centimeter, breadth as a 10 centimeter, and height as a 8 centimeter. That means 20 multiply 10 multiply 8. So let's multiply all of them. 20 multiply by 10, then it is 200, and whenever 200 multiply by 8, then we get 1600 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 1 brick, and we want to find out the volume of 10 bricks because total number of bricks are 10, which is filled in the tank. Got it? So if you find out the volume of 10 bricks, how many bricks? 10 bricks volume is equal to 10 multiplied by 1 brick volume is equal to 1600 centimeter cube. And whenever both of the multiplied each other, then we get 16,000 centimeter cube. This is the total volume of 10 bricks. Okay. So we are having the volume of 10 bricks. Volume of 10 bricks is equal to 16,000 centimeter cube. Now we are discussing about the base area. of tank. Base area of tank. You can see here. Whenever you put 10 bricks in the tank, then the bricks are covered the space on the base. Yes or no? And they consumed some volume of the tank, and whenever they takes some volume, then water change its place from bottom to top. That means if you want to find out the height from the base, then what you do, you use the base height formula, which is equal to the rising height is equal to volume which you occupied divided by the base area. So what we use? We use tank base area to calculate the height and volume would occupy. That means whenever you find out the volume of 10 bricks, then use tank's base area to find out the increasing height in the rising water level. Got it? So look at here. Volume is 16,000 centimeter cube, and you want to find out the base area of tank. Dear students, you are having length as 100 centimeter, yes or no, and you are having breadth as 80 centimeter, and in the base we use only length and breadth because the length and breadth makes the base of the tank, and area is equal to length multiply breadth. That means 100 multiplied by 80. So 30 cancel out 30, 8 directly divided by 16 with 2. It means the resulted increasing height is 2 centimeter. So how do we find out the rising height? We use first of all the total volume of 10 bricks. After that we use base area, and in the end divide displaced volume by the base area of the tank. And in the end, whenever you get rising height, then what you do? You add it in the water level, in the first water level, like that. First of all, the water lies between the 40 centimeter. Okay. And whenever you put the 10 bricks in the tank, then it is increased by 2. Then you get the rising water level is equal to total height is 42 centimeter. It means add the result to the current water level to the forecast the final height. So what is the steps for this question? First of all, find the volume of 1 brick, then total volume of 10 brick. It means first point is Q. After that, then use tank base area to calculate the height and volume would occupy. That means S. After that, divide the displaced volume by the base area of the tank. It means point number P. And in the end, we add the result to the current water level to forecast the final height. That means point number R. So the proper sequence is everyone Q, S, P, R. So the resulted answer is point number D, which is represent the correct option for the question, which is QSPR. So this is the final answer for this question. This is a very special question. Let's come to the next question. So dear students, next we have question number 43 as a next question. So in this question, what is the need of question and what it say? The number of vertices, faces and edges for the following figure is. That means we are having a shape which is 3D shape, and the question wants to find out the number of vertices, number of faces and number of edges. Number of vertices means number of corner. Look at here. Here we have a first corner which is lies here, second corner, third corner, fourth corner, fifth corner and sixth corner. That means here we have 6 corners and they're known as number of vertices. It means there are 6 vertices which is available in this figure. Next we find out the number of faces. Dear students, faces means the 2D shapes which is included in the 3D shape. Here we have first face. First face as a parallelogram like that. This is the first 2D shape. Got it? It is known as first face. Here we have second face. Here we have second face like that. So there are 2 faces which we discuss. Here we have a triangle which is third face. Here we have also a triangle which is fourth face. And for your kind information, the rectangle which is lies behind the bottom of this shape. That means there are a rectangle. Here we have two parallelogram and angle which is lies on the top of the rectangle. That means we are having two parallelogram, two triangles, and one rectangle on the bottom of this pyramid shape. That means we are having total face are 5. So number of faces, I mean 2D figures are 5 in the 3D figure. Next we find out the number of edges. Edges means total sides which you have in this figure. Look at here. We are having first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. It means there are 9 edges, 9 lengths for this 3D shape. So what we have? We are having 6 vertices, 5 faces, and 9 edges. And the option C represent the same result. It means option C is the correct option for question number 43. Let's come to the question number 44. Here we have question number 44 which you face in the examination, dear students, and again we are having assertion and reason based question. So first of all, read the assertion very properly. Two planes intersect in a line. Yes, it is correct. How it is possible? Look at here. First of all, we take a plane like that. This is first plane. Okay, and next we take a second plane like that. This is second place which is lies in the first plane. And you can see here we have a common line. Here we have a common line which is lies between both of them. Look at here. First plane is like horizontal, second one like on any angle, and they are having a common line. That means they both are lies on each other. It means they both are intersecting on a line. So we say two planes are intersecting in a line, because like first plane is that and second plane is that, then we say they both are intersecting on a same line which is lies between both of them. It means two planes intersecting in a line. So this is the true statement. Let's think about the reason. If two lines have a one common point, then they are known as intersecting line. Yes, this is correct. Whenever two lines have a one common point, then we say they are known as intersecting line. But dear students, this statement is true. Whenever two lines having one common point, then we say the lines are known as intersecting line. But in the assertion, there are discussion about the planes. And here we discuss about only intersect line. That means the reason is not satisfied the assertion. So we just say assertion is true and reason is true. But reason R is not proper explanation for assertion A. So both are true, but reason R is not proper correct explanation for assertion A. So option B is the correct option. Got it? Let's come to the next question, and the question is 45, which you face in the examination, and it is also depend on plane. Look at here. What it say? It say that any two lines in a plane can be. Here we have a plane like that. And in the plane we are having intersecting line. Yes, we are having two intersecting line. It is true. We are having parallel line. Yes, we are also can be having parallel lines like that. Coplanar line. Coplanar line means if two lines are on the same plane, then we say the lines are known as coplanar line. So these are known as coplanar line. And if you want to make to another line, then you make like that. They both are known as coplanar line because they are lies on same plane. Here we have only one plane. That means all of the above are satisfied the condition of plane. The plane are having intersecting line. Yes. The plane having two parallel line. Yes, of course. and plane having two coplanar line? Yes, it means all of the above are satisfied the question number 45. So correct answer is option D. Because all those are correct, that means the final correct option is option D, which represent the all of the options. Got it? Let's come to the question number 46. Dear students, next we have question number 46, which you face in the examination, and for your kind information, it is dependent on true or false statement. That means we are having 4 different points and we want to classify which is correct or not. So first of all, look at the first point, what it say. The perimeter of a rectangle is the length, sum of the length of the all its 4 sides. It means what it say whenever you find out the perimeter of rectangle, then what you do? You find out the sum of its all sides, sum of the length of its all sides. Yes, it is correct. But why? Look at here. This is a rectangle and it is length, it is also length, it is breadth for the rectangle, it is also breadth for the rectangle. Whenever we find out its perimeter, then what we do according to the point, we find out the total measurement of its all side. It means length plus breadth plus length, and in the end again breadth. Then we get 2 length plus 2 breadth, and you takes 2 as a common because it is lies in both of them. Then you got 2 bracket L plus B, and if you know this is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, then we say the perimeter depends on the sum of length of its all sides in any shape, and rectangle has 4 sides. Then we say the perimeter is the sum of length of all its 4 sides. Got it? So it is true. So we say here the first point is true. Next, 2 shapes with the same area can have different perimeter. Look at here. We take an example. First of all, I take a square which has a side as a 4 centimeter. And here we take a rectangle which has a length as a 8 centimeter and breadth as a 2 centimeter. Yes or no? First of all, we find out their areas. You know very well, area of rectangle is a side multiply side. That means 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16 centimeter square. Yes or no? And here we want to find out area of rectangle. Then area is equal to length multiply breadth. It means 8 multiply 2 is also equal to 16 centimeter square. That means the area of both of the shapes are equal. Let's check their perimeter. They are equal or not. We know very well, perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. So multiply 4 with the 4 because we are having side as a 4 centimeter. Then we get 4 4s are 16 centimeter. Got it? And whenever you find out the perimeter of rectangle, then which formula we use? We use 2 bracket L plus B. So let's put the value of length and breadth. The length is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. And first of all, solve the bracket. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 and 8 2s are 20 centimeter. Dear students, they both are different. That means if 2 shapes with the same area can have different perimeters. Yes, this is true statement. There is not compulsory if area is similar then perimeter is also similar. It means they are different. It is possible. It means it is also true according to the statement. That means first point and second point both are true. First and second point both are true. Let's come to the third point. Doubling both the length and breadth of a rectangle makes its area 4 times larger. It means whenever you double the length and breadth both in any rectangle shape, then its area 4 times larger. The changes in the area is 4 times. Look at here. First of all, we take the length is L and breadth is B. And in the second condition, we take the length is 2L and breadth is 2B. We doubled both of the length or breadth. Got it? And if you want to find out the area, then what you do? We multiplied length and breadth both because it is equal to area of the rectangle. Got it? And here if you use the same formula, area is equal to length and breadth, and we are having length as a 2L and breadth as a 2B. then you know 2 2s are 4, and here we are having length multiply breadth. Dear student, length multiply breadth is the first time area whenever we don't change in the length or breadth, and whenever we make the double as a length and doubled as a breadth, then we get 4 times area increased. Yes or no? It means if doubling both and length and breadth of a rectangle makes its area 4 times larger. Yes, it is correct. You can see here there is 4 times larger becoming the area of compare than the previous area of rectangle. Let's come to the next point. It means it is true. Okay. Next we have point number 4th in the same question. If the side of a square are doubled, then its perimeter becomes 4 times larger. That means first of all what we do? We changes in the side of square and think about the changes in the perimeter of the square. Look at here. In the first case we takes a side is A, and in the second case we takes its side as a double, that means 2A. Got it? And we want to find out the perimeter. We know very well the formula of perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side. Look at here. 4 is here and the measurement of side is A according to our choice. So here we have perimeter as a 4A for this square shape. And whenever the side is doubled, then the measurement of side is 2A. So what is the effect in perimeter? Look at here. We know very well the formula is similar for perimeter, but the measurement is side is changed. Then we takes 2A as a measurement of side. And whenever we multiply both of them, then what we get? We get 4 2s are 8. It means perimeter becomes 8A. And for your kind information, we write it as a 2 multiply 4A. 2 multiply by 4A. Dear students, you look at here. What it say? Here we have perimeter as the 4A. And here we have perimeter is the double of 4A. 2 multiply by 4A means double of starting perimeter. That means perimeter changes as a doubled, not 4 times. Perimeter becomes 2 times larger, not 4 times larger. It means it is false. So finally we get the total resulted answer in the question. First point is true, second true, third is also true, but the last one is false. So TTF. So TTF is the correct in option C. You can see here. So the C is the resulted answer for the question number 46. Let's come to the next question. Next we have question number 47. Dear students, what it say? The concurrent lines in the given figure. That means we want to find out the pair of concurrent lines. What is concurrent line? Concurrent line means if 3 lines are intersecting on a same point, then they known as concurrent line. Look at here. In this question, we are having a lot of lines, but you can see here, we are having line X, line Y, and line M. The 3 are intersecting on a point A, which is intersect on a same point. It means the line X, line Y, and line M, all those are known as concurrent line. But if you think about other one, then they don't intersect on a same point. The pair of 3 lines, the only 3 lines which makes a common intersecting points, which is point A. That means the correct answer is X, Y, M. So the option D represent the correct option for this question. Let's come to the next question. Next we have question number 48 and 49, which is depend on paragraph based question. And in this question what we are having a paragraph. First of all, listen and read paragraph very carefully. What it say? During Christmas celebration, Monu and her mom purchased 3 beautiful bells and decorate their house. They ring the 3 bells at the interval of 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes respectively. On a particular day, they ring the bell together at 9 a.m. It means there are 3 bells and they ring with the different time. And Monu and her mother decide a particular time and ring all them with the same time. And the time is 9 a.m. Okay, it is fine. What it say? The LCM of 6, 8 and 9. According to question 48, it want to find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 9. You can find out here like 6, 8 and 9. First of all, we takes 2 as a prime number, and you know what very well, whenever 6 divided by 2, then we get 3, 8 divided by 2, then we get 4, and 9 is not divided by 2 because it is odd number. Okay, again we takes 2 because we are having 4 as a prime even number. 4 divided by 2, then we get 2, and here we have 9 as a 9. Next we take also 2 because we are having 2 is here, then we get 2 divided by 2, then we get 1, and next we take 3 because here are only odd numbers, then we take 3. When 3 divided by 3, then we get 1, and 1 is here. 9 divided by 3, then we get 3. And whenever all those are divided by 3, then we get 1, 1, 1 as a resulted value. So the multiplication of all of them is the LCM of the 6, 8 and 9. So find out the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are. What is the resulted value of 24 3s are? Look at here. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 and 1 7. It means the resulted value is 72. So that means the LCM of 6, 8 and 9 is 72. This is the resulted value. Let's come to the next question, everyone. The question number 49 is dependent on the same paragraph, everyone. And what it say? The 3 bells ring together after every. If you are having 3 different bell with 3 different time and you want to ringing all of them on same time, then what we find? We find out the common multiple. It means LCM of all of them. And for your kind information, we find the LCM 6, 8 and 9 in previous question, which is 72. That means all of the bells are ringing on every 72 minutes. Every 72 minutes with each other. So the resulted value is 72 minutes. They all are ringing every 72 minutes with each other, because 72 is the lowest common multiple. Okay, next we have question number 50, which you face in the examination. And what it say? Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. Dear students, here we are having the different type of points and we want to match of the all of the point with the selected answer. What it say? Common factor of 48 and 96. 48 and 96. And common factor for 55 and 121. And common factor of 38 and 57, and in the point S we find out the common factor for 3156 and 6. That means there are common factors and there are numbers. So what we find? We find out the proper common factor for each pair. So first of all, take 48 and 96. You can see here. We take first of all 4. If 4 divides both of them, then we say it is common factor. Whenever it is divided by 4 and it is also divided by 4, then we get 12, because 12 4s are 48. And 4 2s are 8. Here we have 1 as a remainder and 6 as a next digit. 4 4s are 16. You can see here the both numbers are properly divisible by 4. That means 4 is the common factor for both of them. It means P directly match with point first. Got it? Next we have 55 and 125. Dear students, 55 is an odd number. That means 6 is not a common factor for 55 and 125 because both are odd number. That means the resulted value is 11 and 19 for point Q. But you can see here, 55 is properly divisible by 11, because whenever 55 divisible by 11, then we get 5. It is properly divisible by 11. Next we have 121, and 121 is also divisible by 11 with 11 time. It means 11 is the common factor for point Q, which is 55 and 121. Next we have common factor of 38 and 57. Look at here everyone. 38 is even, but 57 is odd. That means 6 is also wrong point for the point R. It means we takes 19. Whenever 38 divided by 19, then we get 2. And 57 divided by 19, then we get 3. It means both are properly divided by 19. It means 19 is the common factor for both of them. And in the end, we are having 6, and 6 is directly meet to the last point. Because whenever we divide 6 to 3156, so 3156, we divide it by 6, then we get 6 5s are 30. We get remainder as a 1. Next digit as a 5. 6 2s are 12. We get 3. The next digit is 6. 6 6 are 36. So you can see here the 3156 is properly divisible by 6, and 6 is also divisible by 6. You know very well. If the both are divisible by 6, then we say 6 is the common factor for the both of them. So let's meet. How to meet them? P meet with point first. Q meet with point 3, and R meet with point 4, and last point meet with point 2. So 1 3 4 2. 1 3 4 2. The option A is the correct option for the question number 50. So dear students, best of luck for your upcoming examination. And here we have a one very special guideline to you all. Revise all the question again and all the solution very carefully, and think about the solutions and questions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं, और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 26 October 2025. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. What should come in place of the question mark in the following series? Now series is 1, 6, 13, 22, 33. After 33 in next term, next number is missing. So now first find the pattern of the given number series. So now pattern is 1 to 6. It means if 5 is added to 1, then we get 6. Now 6 to 13, it means if 7 is added to 6, then we get 13. Similarly 13 to 22, it means if 9 is added to 13, then we get 22. Now next is plus 11. So pattern is plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, plus 11. Now plus 13. If 13 is added to 33, then we get 46. So 46 is the next number of given number series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. So we have a letter series Z, U, Q, missing, after missing, next letter is L. Now find the pattern of given series. So first find the place value of given letters. So place value of Z is 26, place value of U is 21, place value of Q is 17. So now pattern is 26 to 21, it means minus 5. 21 to 17, it means minus 4. Similarly, minus 5, minus 4, now minus 3. Now 13 minus 3, it means 14. 14, it means n, because place value of n is 14 in English alphabet. So missing letter is n. So it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. I drove east for 5 miles, then drove north 3 miles, then turned to my left and drove for 2 miles and again turned to my left. Which direction I am going now? So before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So now question is, I drove east for 5 miles. Let's suppose A is the starting point. Now I drove 5 miles towards east direction. This is the east direction. Then drove north. For 3 miles. After this, I turned to my left. And drove for 2 miles and again turn to my left and turn to my left. Which direction I am going now? So which direction I am going now? So now I am headed towards south direction, because this is the south direction. So now I am headed towards south direction. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Find the voter image of given combination. So find the voter image of given combinations. The part of an object which is near to the voter, so it will remains near to the voter in the voter image. So first find the voter image of G. So voter image of G looks something like this. And then find the voter image of R. This is the voter image of R. Next, find the voter image of 9. So this is the voter image of 9. Now find the voter image of 8. So this is the voter image of 8. Now find the voter image of A. So this is the voter image of A. And then find the voter image of P. This is the voter image of P. Voter image of 7. So voter image of 7 looks something like this. Now find the voter image of 6. So this is the voter image of 6. And then find the voter image of E. This is voter image of E. And then find the voter image of S. So voter image of S looks something like this. So this is the correct voter image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question, because option C shows the correct voter image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Hemant is 16 from the top and 12th from the bottom in merit list of the class. How many students are there in the class? In a class, position of Hemant is 16 from the top and position of Hemant is 12th from the bottom end. Now find the total student of this class. So find the total number of student of this class. So number of student is equals to total number of student is equals to top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Hemant is 16 plus bottom position of Hemant is 12 minus 1. 16 plus 12, it means 28 minus 1. 28 minus 1, it means 27. So there are 27 students in this class. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a row at a bus stop, A is 17th place from the left and 9th place from the right. If B is 4th place from the left in the same row, find the position of B from the right end. In a row, position of A is 17th from the left. This is the left end of the row and this is the right end of the row, and position of A is 17th from the left end, and ninth position of A is 9th from the right end. B is 4th place from the left in the same row. Position of B is 4th from the left in this row. Now find the position of B from the right end. So first find the total number of people in this row. So total number of people is equals to left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of A is 17 plus right position of A is 9. 17 plus 9 minus 1. 17 plus 9, it means 26 minus 1. 26 minus 1, it means 25. So there are total 25 people in this row. Now find the position of B from the right end. Find the position of B from the right end. So position of B from the right end is equals to total minus position of B from the left end plus 1. So total number of people is equals to 25. Now position of B from the left is 4 plus 1. So 25 minus 4, it means 21 plus 1, it means 22nd. So position of B from the right end is 22nd. So here option B is the correct answer of this question, because position of B is 22nd from the right end. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to sequentially replace the asterisk sign and balance the given equations. So equation is 11 asterisk 4 asterisk 3 asterisk 3 asterisk 7 asterisk 8. Now in this question options are taking one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So according to option A, 11 first asterisk means plus 4, second asterisk means minus 3, third asterisk means multiply by 3, fourth asterisk means divided by 7, and fifth asterisk means is equals to 8. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 11 plus 4 minus 3 into 3 divided by 7 is equals to 8. Now multiply the numbers. So 11 plus 4 minus 3 multiply by 3, it means 9 upon 7 is equals to 8. Now add the numbers. 11 plus 4, it means 15 minus 9 upon 7 is equals to 8. Now taking LCM 7 divided by 1, it means 7. Now 15 multiply by 7, it means 105 minus 9 is equals to 8. 105 minus 9, it means 96. So 96 divided by 7 is equals to 8. So 96 divided by 7 never is equals to 8. So here option A is a incorrect option. Now taking option B. So according to option B, 11 first asterisk means multiply, 4 second asterisk means divided by 3. Now third asterisk means plus 3, fourth asterisk means minus 7, and fifth asterisk means is equals to 8. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. 11 multiply by 4 divided by 3 plus 3 minus 7 is equals to 8. Now multiply the numbers. So 11 multiply by 4, it means 44 divided by 3 plus 3 minus 7 is equals to 8. 44 divided by 3 plus 3 minus 7. So it means 44 divided by 3 plus 3 minus 7, it means minus 4 is equals to 8. Now taking LCM, so LCM is 3. So 3 divided by 3, it means 1 multiplied by 44, it means 44 minus 3 divided by 1, it means 3. 3 multiplied by 4, it means 12 is equals to 8. 44 minus 12, it means 32 divided by 3 is equals to 8. 33 divided by 32 divided by 3 never is equals to 8. So here option B also a incorrect option. Now taking option C. According to option C, 11 first asterisk mean plus 4, second asterisk means multiply by 3, third asterisk means divided by 3, fourth asterisk means is equals to 7, and fifth asterisk means plus 8. Now using BODMAS rule, so first divide the numbers. So 11 plus 4 into 3 divided by 3, it means 1 is equals to 7 plus 8. Now multiply the numbers. So 11 plus 4 into 1, it means 4 is equals to 7 plus 8. Now add the numbers. 11 plus 4, it means 15 is equals to 7 plus 8, it means 15. Yes, 15 always is equals to 15. So here option C is the correct answer of this question, because option C is balance the given equation. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If A denotes multiply, B denotes divided by, C denote minus, and D denote plus. So what is the value of given expression? So expression is 55. A means multiply by 5. B, it means divided by 5. C, it means minus 5. And D, it means plus 3. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the numbers. So 5 divided by 5, it means 1. So 55 multiply by 1 minus 5 plus 3. Now multiply the numbers. 55 multiply by 1, it means 55 minus 5 plus 3. Now add the number. So 55 plus 3, it means 58 minus 5. 58 minus 5, it means 53. So value of given expression is 53. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. In the following question consists of a set of 3 figures X, Y and Z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Choose a figure which most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z from the 4 answer figure given below. In this question, unfold the paper after cut. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X. So unfold the paper in the same direction when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z. So when unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this. And this is the folded part. This is Y. Now unfold the Y. So Y will be unfolded in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. So Y will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold the Y, then we get image something like this. This is the correct image after unfold. So here option B is the correct answer of this question, because option B shows the correct unfolded seat. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Figure out from amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent seat is folded at the dotted line. Now fold the seat along to the dotted line. When this seat is folded along to the dotted line, then we get a image something like this. And so this is the correct folded seat. So here option C is the correct answer of this question, because option C shows the correct folded seat in this direction. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click Ask the Doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. You can join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.